In this video, you will learn how to create a Facebook account. Install and open the Facebook app. Select your preferred language and click on Create New Account. Join Facebook. Create an account to connect with friends, families, and communities of people who share your interests. Click on Get Started. What is your name? Enter the name you use in real life. Enter your first name and last name. And click on Next. What's your birthday? Choose your date of birth. Click on Set. And click on Next. What's your gender? Select your gender. And click on Next. What's your mobile number? Enter your mobile number or sign up with email. Click on Next. Create a password. Create a password with at least 6 letters and numbers. Click on Next. Click on Save to save your login info or select Not Now. Agree to Facebook terms and policies like the Facebook terms, privacy policy, and cookies policy. Click on I agree. Enter the confirmation code. To confirm your account, enter the 5-digit code we sent to your email address. Go to your email address to find the email with the code from Facebook. Enter the code. And click on Next. Facebook. Welcome to Facebook. Notifications. Welcome to Facebook. Congratulations! Now you know how to create a Facebook account. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.